Imagine your Richmond auto repair shop buried under a mountain of competition. Now, what if I told you online marketing could turn that mountain into a gold mine? Picture this, a flood of new customers finding you first, not your rivals. Sounds unreal? It's happening every day. America's best shops crack the code. Shops using smart online marketing grew by 300% in under a year. How? SEO magic, laser-targeted ads, and social proof that builds trust faster than a wrench on an engine. Visualize your shop buzzing with cars, your phone ringing off the hook, and a glowing reputation that spreads like wildfire in Richmond. But here's the twist. Most shops ignore this power. They stick to old-school flyers and hope. Don't be that shop. Transform your business with tools designed for today's digital world. Ready to leave your competition in the dust? What would a surge of loyal customers do for your shop's future? Dive into online marketing with America's best shops and watch your Richmond auto repair business skyrocket. What's stopping you?